This Airsoft GI TV episode is brought to you in part by G&G Armament. Welcome back to Airsoft GI TV. My name's Tim. This is the KWA M93R NS2 gas blowback pistol. It's kind of a mouthful. It's a pretty unique gun with a lot of unique features. Start with the barrel. It's vented and much longer than a normal M9 barrel. This has a handlebar. I can shoot my gun with no handlebars. The slide is also shaped slightly differently than a normal M9, and the grip is a little wider. The magazine is extended because it needs a much higher magazine capacity than a normal M9 because of the different fire modes. I'm going to let Jan explain more of that. She's at the chrono station.
Thanks, Tim. So I got here the KWA M93R. Now what's unique about this gun, it has 3 firing modes.
Alright, as you can see, the handlebar on the KWA M93R is for the recoil when firing in full auto. This gun obviously doesn't have any recoil because it's an airsoft gun, but it is a nice aesthetic touch to stay true to the real gun. One other thing that's very unique about this gun is it only has a single stage trigger. Okay, most other M9s have a 2-stage trigger. This one does not, probably because of the fire selector. This gun is for sale on Airsoft GI for $170. Check it out. Oh, I'm sorry. How weird of you. Would you like a churro? Too bad.
Thanks, Tim.